Trump really went in front of the entire country, in front of the entire Congress, and said that they're spending $8 million to make mice transgender. That was one of the funding cuts. Yeah, Firstly, this is giving the whole the water's making the frogs gay kind of vibe, but also let's say he made a mistake. Let's say that was a mistake that he made, which obviously it wasn't, because he went after transgender people like crazy in that fucking speech. And obviously he wants to make it seem like, look at all the fraud and shit that we found, right? That would be one thing, but we know his intention. But it's the fact that after that, MAGA went and ran with that shit. They were like, oh yeah, can you believe that they're spending $8 million on transgender mice? How insane, this government, the libs, we got it. But again, because we know that he's lying, and we know that he used it as a talking point, what the hell could he possibly be talking about? Maybe this? Because this is the 8 million that he's talking about, and this is gene environment interaction. Now, what do I mean? Because this isn't really answering anything about the transgender mice, right? Well, before we get into that, this is just confirming it came from the housing of the Department of Environmental Health at the College of Medicine. So it is the medicine institution at University of Cincinnati that is doing this. But what they're actually doing is transgenic mouse construction genotyping. That's what it is. That $8 million to a medical kind of institution at University of Cincinnati, this is what it's talking about. And again, here it is, transgenic animal and genome editing core. And this is, again, research where they do end up using mice in this study. But what is this actually, all right? Because it's not going to, again, go over and explain to you exactly what they're doing. It's meant to help with diseases. Because, again, this is a medical institution at the University of Cincinnati that's doing this research that they are funding. As you can tell, this is what a transgenic mouse model is. It targets specific genes to study. It models the development of human diseases in a controlled environment. Because, again, a lot of studies are done on mice. Tests possible new drug treatments and get faster results. And then replicates specific characteristic symptoms or pathology of the disease. He decided to use funding that's actually done on studying diseases and different medication and treatment for said diseases to say that they're spending money on transgender mice. And not only did he use that because he believes it, then MAGA ran with it at the fucking congressional speech. What the fuck?